Ethan, are you pitching?
Yes.
Well, don't you need to stand up? Michael, did he just strike you out?
No.
Oh, what's he giggling at? What, is it my turn?
Stop.
Oh. Run!
Yeah!
Okay, Michael, your turn.
That's a boy.
Okay, Ethan, your turn.
Which one to be?
Okay. Go. I can
Okay, Michael, your turn. Good one.
On commercials, this is how they say wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Why did you do it so fast? I know.
Yes. I'll run again.
Good job, buddy.
I got a shot.
Ethan.
I got a shot.
Ethan, get out of the way. You're going to get whacked with a bowling ball.
Whoa! Sorry about that, Sweets. It's quite. Whoa!
I'm a daisy. Dad, when we're done, can we play this game?
That's his new one, Rick, Monster Trucks.
We'll see.
Oh, it is? That'd be fun.
Watch out, Ethan.
Or we could play cars and take turns.
Cars is one player. Wait,
It's two-player.
Yeah.
We could do it like we did on baseball.
Daddy, once I got a spare when it was like that.
And he got a turkey
Turkey stick is not.
Ethan, did you just say you're a turkey?
No.
Oh, what'd you say?
But once.
Whoa! Good job!
Ethan, what was that? Hey, what was that? Ethan, what'd you do?
I did it so hard and I did it. Yeah.
Ethan, what's that called, what you just did? Look at me. What is that?
It's bowling.
I know, but did you get a spare?
Yeah,
Ethan, did you get a spare?
Yeah.
No, what'd you get?
I got straight.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
So did Caitlin.
Cause she did? All right, Caitlin.
The spinning around doesn't really help.
Oh!
Ethan, be nice.
Oh!
Excuse you, mister.
I'm 65 points.
Not you. Ethan did, right when he bent over. Goofball.
No.
Ethan, are you winning? What's this game called? Monster Trucks? It's a racing.
Yes.
Who's in first? Ethan?
Yes.
Who's in second?
Michael.
Who's in third?
Daddy.
Who's in fourth?
I am.
Caitlin, come on. Catch up with Daddy.
I'm close to him.
You're not? Are you sure? Go, girl. Go, Katie Bug. Michael, what are you having a fit of?
I'm just going crazy, so I'll do a trick.
Oh, is that what it does?
It usually works. On Mario Kart, it does.
Oh, wow. Mario Kart. You're both visible. Let's do Mario Kart after this. No.
Hey,
Can you do
Devin.
Mario Kart after this?
We'll see. No, yeah, Caitlin, it's your turn to pick one, so yes.
What?
Yeah, it's Caitlin's turn to pick, so we'll do Mario Kart. Yeah.
Oh, snow.
Rick, are you still in third? Driving the big yellow school bus?
Still in last.
Caitlin.
Get up!
Is that you laying on the ground,
I
Caitlin?
knocked her out. I just got her down and knocked her out.
And one try?
Yes.
She was swinging for all she was worth.
Ethan, you're actually knocking Caitlin out. Ethan's like, oh.
Man, this is good exercise. I need to do this.
I start sweating after a couple rounds.
If I play like Ethan, where I run the whole time.
Ethan is kicking her butt. Ethan's gonna get it down again.
Caitlin makes the funniest face.